Welcome to the Screven Covenant floor plan made by RTS in Hinesville, Georgia. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home with over 2,800 square feet. Let's take a look. This home comes with a formal dining room, laminate flooring throughout the main floor, except for in the downstairs bedroom. Open concept with living, dining, and eating kitchen. This particular home does have a fireplace. Not all homes are built with a fireplace. As you can see, tons of counter space and countertop space. This is your breakfast nook area in the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, and with RTS, all appliances do come standard in the kitchen. You have a pantry. A lot of natural light with all the windows. Two-car garage. This one has 2 doors. Not all will have 2 doors, but this one does have 2 doors. Downstairs full bath. First downstairs bedroom. Could also be used as a home office or just space for your guests. This size room can easily accommodate a queen size bed. Linen closet. And a coat closet. You have another full bath upstairs. Bedroom number 2, directly above the downstairs bedroom. Same size room. Then a room next to it. Both these rooms also can accommodate a queen size bed with no problem. Upstairs linen. Then your 4th bedroom. Also very nice size room. Laundry is conveniently located upstairs. And then your primary suite. Very spacious, with its own separate sitting area. And this room could accommodate a king size bed or even a California king. Then your primary bath, double vanities separated by your garden tub. And your separate shower. Private room for your toilet. And your spacious walk-in closet. A lot of natural light in this room as well, with vaulted ceilings. You have attic access right here. Once again, it's a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, over 2,800 square feet. It is the Screven Covenant Collection by RTS. And they built this home in Hinesville, Allenhurst, Little Wissy. And who else knows where they may build them in the future. For more information about this or any new construction homes in the Hinesville, Fort Stewart area, call us at 912-980-6153 or check us out online at level10realestategroup.com. That's level10realestategroup.com.